Russia keeps trying to push through Ukraine's defensive lines in some directions. This has resulted in massive losses, with many vehicles destroyed by mines. One of Russia's main way to clear mines fast is by the UR-77 meteorite, which carries 2 explosive line charges, which are launched away to clear a straight line. But while the vehicle still carries these charges, it becomes very vulnerable for attacks. As this vehicle had damaged its tracks and gotten abandoned, the Ukrainian drone army made sure it wouldn't be brought back into service. After hitting the vehicle, it starts to burn intensively until the whole charge explodes. Absolutely obliterating the system, destroying another of Russia's equipment, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.